Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your status in the Zello application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the little button on the top of the page on the left. Then click on status. And here you can choose between available, solo, busy and offline. So if you just click on the busy one, then your status is changed to busy, and you can see the little sign on the top of the page that says your status has changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.